From sketch to structure, concept to creation, Pint transforms your desk into a production hub. Engineered for precision and built for imagination, this modular robot arm is more than just a tool. It's a full-scale creative companion. With an integrated AI camera, Pint sees the world like you do, recognizing faces, objects, and patterns with sharp detail, giving your projects intelligent depth. Precision meets versatility with this compact CNC machine tailored for ambitious creators. Designed with a generous 12.6 by 8.7-inch workspace, it allows users to handle big projects without compromising on space. Whether engraving hardwood, cutting soft metals, or shaping acrylic, this tool delivers with consistency and control. Built for portability, its frame folds neatly, optimizing your workspace whether you're crafting in a garage or setting up at a maker event. When precision engineering meets tactile obsession, you get a writing instrument that refuses to be ordinary. This isn't just a pen, it's a magnetic, modular experience built to satisfy restless fingers and curious minds. Constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum and equipped with rare earth magnets, it snaps, clicks, and spins in ways that keep your focus sharp and your hands engaged. In a world dominated by constant stimulation and overthinking, there's a quiet beauty in simplicity and movement. This is not just a desk ornament. It's not just a toy. It's a moment of stillness and motion, crafted to soothe, inspire, and gently ground you in the present. The Oasis Mini is a kinetic art piece that brings the calming rhythm of nature into your everyday space. A small steel ball glides effortlessly across fine sand, creating fluid, mesmerizing patterns. Winding through wooded trails or slicing across open pavement, the one-wheel Pint S offers an electrifying ride few vehicles can match. The sensation is unique. Part hovercraft, part board sport, all intensity. It's not just a skateboard with a motor. The Pint S takes more from snowboarding than scooting and demands more attention and respect from its rider. At its core is a self-balancing electric motor that delivers surprising torque, and the board responds not with handlebars or throttles, but with the lean of your body. Slip into a future of seamless intelligence with the Halliday's ultimate pair, AI glasses built for minds that never rest. Weighing just 1.23 ounces, these feather-light glasses carry the force of a proactive AI assistant embedded within an invisible display, ensuring your view remains unobstructed while your focus sharpens. In an era where innovation meets lifestyle, this isn't just a coffee table. It's a command center built for modern living. Engineered with precision, this next-generation centerpiece houses an AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS mini PC beneath its sleek, minimalist exterior. A stunning 27-inch HD touchscreen is seamlessly integrated into the tabletop, merging function with visual brilliance. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or managing smart devices, the powerful processor ensures smooth multitasking. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is an advanced gimbal stabilizer designed to enhance your smartphone videography experience. Featuring a robust 3-axis stabilization system, this gimbal ensures smooth, professional-grade footage even during movement. Whether capturing fast-paced action or cinematic panning shots, the Osmo Mobile 7 guarantees steady results with minimal effort. Its ultra-light ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip, making it ideal for extended shooting sessions without fatigue. Elevate your mobile workstation with a razor-thin, feather-light monitor system that transforms any laptop into a multitasking powerhouse. Weighing just 1.1 pounds and measuring only 4.8 millimeters thick, this 14-inch 2K monitor delivers sharp clarity with 100% sRGB color accuracy, ideal for designers, coders, analysts, and on-the-go creatives. With 5 flexible display modes, it seamlessly adapts to dual or triple screen configurations, giving you the freedom to expand your workflow wherever you are. With a design inspired by a submarine, this humidifier brings a unique blend of style and functionality to any room. Its sleek, compact body stands out with a vivid color scheme that adds a touch of elegance, while the carefully crafted details enhance its visual appeal. The humidifier is not just a piece of decor, but a practical addition to your home. From its innovative interior design to its streamlined silhouette, the Ghazni Arc redefines what a gas pizza oven should be. This high-performance oven blends tradition with cutting-edge engineering, anchored by its revolutionary lateral gas burner. The removable 20mm stone floor stores and radiates heat with remarkable consistency, while dual-layer insulation locks in temperatures that soar to 950 degrees Fahrenheit, batch after batch. The Thiku Net Cooler offers an innovative way to stay cool and comfortable in any environment. This personal cooling device is designed to provide immediate relief during hot weather or hot flashes, ensuring you stay calm and productive. Equipped with advanced cooling technology, the device lowers your body temperature, helping to reduce discomfort caused by excessive heat or sudden temperature changes. Effortless plant care is now possible with the Let Pot LPH Max, a groundbreaking indoor gardening system that combines advanced technology with simplicity. The Let Pot app makes managing your plants even easier, allowing you to set a 0 to 24-hour LED lighting schedule, ensuring your plants get the right light at the right time. Designed to speed up plant growth, the LPH Max is equipped with a 36-watt full-spectrum LED light that mimics natural sunlight. The XGO Mini is an innovative quadruped robot designed to bring a new level of interactivity and intelligence. With 12 degrees of freedom, it can move in all directions, giving it impressive agility. This robot offers an omnidirectional range of motion, allowing it to adapt to various environments effortlessly. Its compact design makes it highly mobile and capable of performing tasks that require advanced coordination and flexibility. When precision, power, and portability intersect, the Fantic W10 Apex Turbo Light Mini Chainsaw emerges as a clear contender in compact cutting tools. Its energy backbone, a 2,500 mAh rechargeable battery, delivers performance on demand. Fast charging via Type-C, the battery reaches 80% capacity in just 30 minutes and offers enough power to slice through up to 135 cuts of 2-inch pine, covering roughly 430 square feet of yardwork in a single session. The OpenRock Bluetooth 5.3 wireless over-ear earbuds stand out as a powerful companion for a variety of activities, offering an exceptional balance of performance and durability. Designed with a long-lasting 60-hour playtime, these earbuds ensure you stay immersed in your music, podcasts, or calls without constantly needing to recharge. The deep bass feature enhances your audio experience, delivering crisp, rich sound that brings your entertainment to life. When off-grid moments call for reliable power, the MoveSpeed Lite Pro 80,000 mAh power bank delivers with confidence. Designed to handle the demands of outdoor camping, road trips, and emergency backup situations, this 296 watt-hour portable power station provides a dependable 130 watt output. The digital display keeps users informed on real-time battery levels, voltage, and output performance, so there's no guesswork when charging critical gear. Even when you're away, your pet's world doesn't have to feel empty. The Gulu Pet FaceTime camera creates a living connection between you and your pet, offering more than just a glimpse, but an experience. Equipped with a sharp 1080 PhD camera, the Gulu gives you crystal clear visuals, while its 90 Hz pet-friendly display ensures smoother motion for both dogs and cats. Built for 24/7 companionship, the device stands ready even when you're miles away. The Toll Visual X stands as a remarkable advancement in virtual reality glasses, offering an ultra-lightweight design and cutting-edge features that redefine the immersive experience. Weighing just 190 grams, these glasses provide a comfortable, near-weightless fit, allowing users to enjoy extended VR sessions without discomfort. The 4.5K resolution, coupled with 360-degree panoramic view, ensures crystal-clear visuals, making every VR environment feel incredibly lifelike. Raw performance meets refined mobility in the all-new ROG XG Mobile, a compact juggernaut engineered for gamers and creators who demand more from every frame and port. Outfitted with up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU, the XG Mobile delivers jaw-dropping ray tracing, AI-powered upscaling, and next-gen acceleration for AAA games and 3D rendering alike. The Fantic Slim Vive 8 is an efficient, portable cleaning tool designed to tackle dirt and debris wherever it accumulates. With a powerful 19,000 Pascal suction power, this mini cordless vacuum makes quick work of cleaning your car, office desk, or even keyboards. Equipped with 2 suction modes, the Slim V8 offers versatility for different cleaning tasks, whether you're handling light dust or more stubborn debris. Crafted into a pen-sized powerhouse engineered for professionals who demand control, clarity, and versatility. This isn't just a tool, it's an evolution in rotary technology. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity and a camera that streams real-time visuals to your mobile device, you get eyes exactly where you need them, even in the tightest spaces. Whether you're working on fine engraving, micro repairs, or jewelry detailing, every motion is guided with unmatched precision. Introducing the Seatmate Ottoman Ramp, a practical and comfortable addition to your home or office. Designed for pet owners, this unique piece ensures your pet can stay close while you work. With an easy-to-use ramp, it provides a convenient way for pets to join you without strain. The Seatmate's compact design is perfect for various spaces. It measures 53.50 inches in length, 21 inches in width, and 24.75 inches in height, offering a balanced presence without overwhelming your room. Experience effortless beach cleanup with the Beach Shower Holder, designed to elevate your post-adventure routine. Built with practicality and ease in mind, this shower holder provides hands-free convenience, making it easier to scrub away sand, dirt, or salt water from your skin and gear. The holder attaches securely to any flat surface using a strong suction mount, ensuring stability even in wet conditions. Simply rotate the dial to lock it in place, and the adjustable nozzle holder ensures the perfect angle for a full-body rinse. Transform your workspace with the ErgoTune Hexon, designed to elevate both comfort and efficiency. Crafted for those who demand personalized productivity, this modular system adapts to your unique needs, offering the flexibility to arrange and customize your desk setup like never before. With its user-centric design, the ErgoTune Hexon ensures that every element of your workspace aligns with your specific preferences. Whether you prefer a sleek, minimalist look or a more dynamic, multifunctional setup, this system allows you to mix and match components for a truly tailored experience. Acasis has crafted a versatile portable SSD hub designed to expand your storage and connectivity options. Equipped with a sleek, compact design, this device offers seamless integration for users needing an efficient way to manage large files across multiple devices. It supports fast data transfer speeds of up to 1,000 megabits per second, ensuring quick and reliable file handling, whether for phones, laptops, or tablets. The TP-Link TLWR302X travel router is a compact yet powerful device designed for seamless internet connectivity during travel. Offering a multi-gig portable solution, it supports OpenVPN and WireGuard, ensuring secure connections no matter where you are. Whether you're in a hotel, on a cruise, or navigating airports, this router provides reliable and fast Wi-Fi, making it ideal for public Wi-Fi sharing. shut out the noise and focus on what matters most: your voice. The Be Free 2.0 sound. Isolation Booth creates a powerful acoustic shield wherever you set it up. With 26 decibels of noise reduction and 89% sound absorption, this booth ensures clarity in every note, word, or recording. Whether you're tracking vocals, laying down a podcast, or joining high-stakes video calls, this booth holds back distractions so you can dial in pure, uninterrupted sound. The Insta360 X5 redefines immersive video capture, offering a leap in 360-degree technology. This cutting-edge camera boasts a 1x1.28-inch sensor, providing significantly clearer, more detailed footage, perfect for both vibrant landscapes and intricate close-ups. Its new Pure Video mode enhances low-light performance, ensuring that every shot is rich in detail, even in dim environments. The replaceable lenses enhance durability, allowing for continued reliability in various settings. Clean beyond the surface with cutting-edge ultrasonic power. This portable, multifunctional ultrasonic dishwasher is engineered for modern living, compact yet powerful and ready to elevate your kitchen or camping setup. Operating at a frequency of 45 kHz, it creates millions of microscopic cavitation bubbles that scrub away food residue, grease, and bacteria from dishes, baby bottles, fruits, and even delicate items like jewelry and glasses. Beneath the punishing sun, relief doesn't come easy, unless you're wearing the U-Quality Wearable Air Conditioner Cooling Vest. Designed for peak performance in brutal heat, this advanced cooling vest drops your core body temperature fast, up to 33 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient, starting from the spine outward. Feel the chill sweep across your back in just 3 seconds, transforming sweltering conditions into manageable moments. Whether you're working a construction site or grinding through summer shifts outdoors, this vest turns overheating into high-efficiency cool. NasoCalm introduces a groundbreaking solution to nasal congestion with its innovative EMS massager, designed to bring relief and comfort in just moments. As the world's first EMS nasal congestion relief device, it uses electrical muscle stimulation technology to gently massage the nasal passages, promoting airflow and freeing up blocked airways. Its unique design ensures it's suitable for all face shapes, providing a personalized fit for anyone. With 5 adjustable levels, users can tailor their experience to their preferred intensity, achieving optimal results. Gloves are no longer the future. B-Stick brings full tactile immersion to your fingertips today. Built as the first handheld haptic VR controller that translates virtual contact into real sensation, B-Stick redefines how users connect with digital environments. Unlike vibration-based devices, B-Stick delivers detailed feedback to each individual finger, allowing you to feel textures, pressure, resistance, and object shape with precision.